TIG welding, this is easily achievable due to the process's precise control over the arc. On thicker materials, the welder can use larger tungsten electrodes and increased amperage to generate more heat, allowing for deeper penetration and stronger welds. This level of flexibility ensures that TIG welding is suitable for a wide range of applications, from the delicate welding of thin sheet metals to heavy-duty structural welding. For industries like food processing and pharmaceuticals, where cleanliness and sanitary conditions are a top priority, TIG welding is often the go-to choice. Since the process leaves little to no spatter, there is less need for post-weld cleanup. Furthermore, the minimal heat input required for TIG welding ensures that the material's original properties are retained, without any risk of introducing contaminants or imperfections into the welded joint. This is especially important when welding stainless steel, which is commonly used in sanitary applications due to its resistance to corrosion and ease of cleaning. TIG welding is frequently used for creating smooth, clean welds in food-grade equipment, medical devices, and other products that must meet stringent regulatory standards for cleanliness and safety. In the automotive industry, TIG welding has gained popularity for tasks that require both strength and aesthetics. It is commonly used for welding components such as exhaust systems, chassis, and precision parts. Since TIG welding can produce a clean, strong weld with little to no spatter, it is ideal for situations where appearance matters, such as in the production of custom exhaust systems or high-end motorcycle frames. The precision offered by TIG welding is also highly valued in automotive racing, where every component is expected to meet strict specifications for both strength and weight. The ability to produce strong, lightweight welds without the need for excessive post-weld cleaning or finishing is a major advantage in this competitive sector. In addition to industrial applications, TIG welding has also found a place in art and sculpture. Many artists appreciate the ability to create intricate, detailed welds on a variety of metals. The precision offered by TIG welding allows artists to join metals in a way that creates smooth, visually appealing joints, which is often critical for artistic work. Whether sculpting abstract pieces or welding together intricate metal structures, TIG welding enables artists to produce work that is not only strong but also aesthetically pleasing. The clean, minimalistic appearance of TIG welds, with their smooth, consistent bead profiles, enhances the overall visual appeal of